Today we're making a quick and flavorful Asian-style shrimp yakisoba. We begin with fresh ingredients: whole green peas in their pods, crisp and vibrant, bringing both color and freshness to the dish. Next, our shrimp, cleaned, tender, and ready to cook. In a hot pan, sauté the shrimp until they turn golden and release their aroma. Add the vegetables along with a touch of spices, garlic, ginger, and a hint of pepper. And stir-fry everything for flavor, color, and a bit of crunch. Now add the noodles, toss them well, and finish with a splash of soy sauce for that rich, glossy coating. Finally, serve it all in a big bowl. And here you have it, shrimp yakisoba with fresh green peas, fragrant spices, and a perfect balance of taste and texture. Simple, vibrant, and ready to enjoy.